Are your YouTube videos stuck at low views? Discover why your channel isn't growing and simple fixes to boost views today. Welcome back. Small YouTubers, this guide is for you. Mistake number 1, no clear niche. Posting different topics confuses YouTube. YouTube doesn't know who to show your videos to. Fix: pick one main topic and stick to it. Ask yourself, who is my video for? What problem am I solving? When YouTube understands your content, it pushes it to the right audience. Mistake number 2, weak titles and thumbnails. Titles and thumbnails matter more than the video itself. Poor clickability means no promotion from YouTube. Fix: use simple, clear titles that create curiosity and avoid long sentences. Ask yourself, would I click this video? Mistake number 3, bad first 10 seconds. Most viewers leave early if your intro is boring. Start with a hook telling viewers what they gain by watching. Mistake number 4, no watch time. YouTube values watch time highly. Short watch durations hurt growth. Fix: cut boring parts, avoid repetition, keep energy high, ask viewers to stay until the end. The longer people watch, the more YouTube recommends your videos. Mistake number 5, uploading without SEO. SEO helps YouTube understand your video. Fix: use main keyword in title, first 2 lines of description, and tags. This helps your video appear in search and suggested videos. Mistake number 6, inconsistency. Posting once then disappearing kills your channel's growth. Fix: upload consistently, even once a week builds trust with YouTube and viewers. Final advice. YouTube growth takes time. Don't compare yourself to big creators. Focus on one video at a time. Every big YouTuber started with 0 views. If this video helped you, smash the like button. Subscribe for more YouTube growth tips. Comment grow if you're serious about YouTube. Getting started is the first step.